guys, welcome back to another video. I have Joseph here with me. I don't know if you guys know what these are. I do, he doesn't. I'm going to see if he likes them. He has to eat 3 of them. You can go with 4. These right here. Ready? You can't just take a little bite. You have to. And once that's done, go. Ready? Wait. Can I eat one whole thing then, guys? You just eat them. And see if it 3, 2, 1, go. Eat more. They taste familiar. Eat it. They taste familiar. They do. They taste to me like dog food. You like them? Not that bad. You want one, Caroline? Yeah, no, you do. Okay. She loves them.
Oh my god. Well, this time now, it's kind of it's getting better.
Wait,
But it's not that great.
this is my
I would try it.
Go.
I would
Now you
like
have to
to
shove
try a
all of them in
different
your mouth.
flavor.
There's
I
no
think
different flavor.
Yeah, I think there's flavored ones. Like
Okay,
this is the
go.
plain one. So do you want to know what you're eating?
Pork rinds. What? Pork rinds.
Pork rinds.
Pork rinds. It's a pork rind.
It's just like a deep fried.
That's why you were being suspicious. He's just like, what's bacon made of? Pig? What's something? Pig? What's something?
Yeah,
Take
that's
this for souvenir. No. Do it. No. Thank you. No. Thank you so much. No. Okay.
that's your prize, Joseph.
Now you can take the
So what? How did you like them on a scale of 1 to 10?
a 5. Yeah,
My first experience with them, which was before you came, I'm gonna give it like a 0. Now I'm gonna give it like a
Number
4.
zero. Okay.
I'll give it a 4.
Joseph.
Oh, Hunter lost his tooth last night. At 10, you lose another one.
You want me to?
Until next time.
Until next time.